What's up, guys? Octavius the Crafter here. Today we're going to be doing a little hood modification. We're going to be turning a Honda hood like this into something like this. Okay. Now, I wasn't in the video. My buddy, he did it. He may not be the best cameraman or the best camera speaker, but he did his best, and I give him props for that. So let's get to it.
Alright guys, so today we have something to do with this hood today. I'm going to be repainting it and fixing some of the stuff on here. Like, we got a little bit of rust bubbling there and some paint chippage there. So we're going to be completely repainting and I guess in a sense customizing it. All I'm going to be doing is just putting some of this paint on there, and I have two different ones. Or three different ones rather. Black, white, and then I have a clear coat to go over it. I'm going to be doing a checkered pattern on top of this hood, and I made sure that this stuff was able to be peeled off in case I ended up not liking it, and yeah. So I just have this in case that happens, and we also have some sandable primer here to kind of use to fill in some of that chipping and rust spots like that. So let's go ahead and pop this hood and then go ahead and take it off. Alright, so now that we have the hood off, we can see the damage a little bit better.
Oh, that's a lot of damage!
Like, we have a decent bit of chipping there along the front. This is the front of the hood. The rust spot right there. Come on, focus. There we go. It's starting to bubble right there, and I know there's some rust underneath it. And there's some actual rust around here, just some light little spots that the camera can't really pick up. But there are some spots of rust. What I'm gonna do first, before I start messing with any of this paint or anything like that, I do want to clean it, and then we'll go ahead and take it and deal with all of that. Alright, so now that I've lightly scuffed it, I'm gonna go ahead and use the sandable primer that I have to deal with some of these patches and just overall coat the whole thing to kind of flush it out if it's looking a little funky. And then I have some 600 grit. Alright, so now that we've gotten a decent bit of our primer on there, I've already sanded it a couple of times. I'm putting layers and sanding to make sure everything's 100% as smooth as it could be. Like, this area is very smooth. Well, this area down here, which I already sprayed, you can still see some mess ups in it. After that, we'll go ahead and put our design into it.
Make sure to smash the like button and smash the subscribe button.
Alright, so I ended up letting this dry overnight, and it's looking pretty good. I just did the white over top of everything that you guys last saw, and the reason why I did that is so that I can do like a checkered pattern on top of it. So this basic pattern is going to go on top of this. So yeah, I'll go ahead and record masking this all off so I can get the first stage a checker pattern, and then I'll peel that off and get the second stage. Alright, so this is our first stage of the checkered pattern. When I was pulling all of this tape off, that's right here, I did end up having some of what was underneath the white showing through. I'm not gonna worry too much about this, because I plan to touch up, like, some of these squares are all messed up too. I plan to get some white spray paint, put it into a little cup and get like a paintbrush and paint it on to cover this up and to fix some of this to make it look better. Oh no, come on, yeah, whatever. And then after I let that dry for, I would say maybe like a couple hours, I'll go ahead and do the second stage of the paint, which is gonna have like some, like, it's gonna fill in some of these spaces. Alright, so I just finished it. I still have to touch it up a little bit, but I ended up doing all of this off camera, obviously, but I think it looks pretty good. There's still some spots, like right there, where I need to redo the white. I need to fix some of that and maybe repaint that, but I'll go over that with basic paint. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this clear coat that I have over here. I'm gonna spray it with that after I go ahead and fix all the issues, and then I'll go ahead and mount it up. And now the hood is on. This looks pretty nice. I did end up having to have Octavius come by and help me put this thing on, but taking it off is a one-person job, just putting it on is definitely a two-person job. But yeah, the hood is on. It looks absolutely amazing in my opinion.
Oh my god!
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.
Oh, hey guys, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching Octavius Crafter. Have an awesome day, and see you next time.